This segment is sponsored by White32 Dental. When you're searching for a dentist, you want someone with skill, but also someone with a heart. Someone who cares about you as a person, not just your smile. And that's exactly what local teacher Ayanna Jackson says she found with Dr. White at White32 Dental. They both join me now to tell their heartwarming story. Welcome, Ayanna, and welcome back, Dr. White. Always great to see you.
Well, it's good to see you as well.
Yeah, well, you have a gorgeous smile, but I understand you were dealing with a dental issue from high school.
Yeah.
What made you choose now to be a time you wanted to address it?
Yeah, so in high school, I had an incident where I lost my front tooth. And so because of that, the teeth around it were very impacted. They were loose. And so I had a brace that was put on to help hold the teeth in place. And so it was a temporary fix due to unforeseen circumstances. It was a little longer than it should have been, but Dr. White and his team have been extremely helpful. I feel very blessed, very excited about my smile. I prioritize my health, especially with eating right and working out, and so, you know, definitely knowing that oral health is just as important. So,
absolutely. Yeah. Well, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dr. White, when you first met Ayanna, what were some of your main concerns or your goals with her treatment?
Yeah, so, you know, first and foremost, whenever you're dealing with any sort of dental trauma, you know, it gets a little complex, simply because of the fact that you don't know exactly what the tooth looks like underneath there. So really our biggest goal was, as you saw from the before picture, is to close the space, to make sure the teeth were stabilized and in a healthy alignment. And then, of course, to actually make sure that the front tooth that was traumatized back when she was in high school, that it's going to be stabilized with the final restorative procedure called dental implants.
Sure.
And so basically that's what's next for her. So we got her teeth into the proper alignment. So now we have the perfect architecture that we can follow now at this point to be able to make sure that we can place the implant in its proper position.
I see. So I understand you just finished the orthodontic treatment part of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
How are you feeling so far in your journey? How has this sort of impacted your life?
Yeah, so I'm extremely excited. I know before I did not love taking pictures, especially up close, but now I love my smile. Dr. White and his team are so knowledgeable. They make you feel welcomed. They talk you through the procedure. Everything has gone just as planned, and so they've been extremely helpful.
Yeah. How does it make you feel when you hear your patients, and we hear it time and time again from your patients, they love you and your team. How does that make you feel to be part of someone's personal journey like this?
I mean, this is what we do it for. I mean, and I think even when you see like the before and after picture, you can see even when we're taking the before picture that she's just not smiling that much.
Yeah.
And then even when you see the after picture, you can see like she's nothing but smiles.
Yeah.
Right? And so that is ultimately speaking what the purpose of all this really is. And I mean, you know, I could fix teeth all day, but actually be able to change lives and be able to change how someone feels about themselves is the most rewarding thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I feel very excited. I will say that Dr. White and his team, they go to great extents to make sure you feel comfortable, and they're very welcoming, always letting you know what's happening next, making you feel safe. I know I haven't had the best experience with a lot of dentists in the past, and so this has definitely restored my faith in dental care.
Yeah,
for
that
sure.
sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
So many people have anxiety, Dr. White.
Yes.
I mean, it's the drilling in our ears or a
Yes.
bad experience,
Yeah.
and you're saying Dr. White's team really puts you at ease.
For sure. I mean, they make you feel just like family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you realize that when people come to you, that they already might have some trauma and anxiety.
Yeah. Every time. Everyone has some little bit of anxiety come into the dentist. And it's beautiful to be able to see that dissipate over time as you get to know them as people, as you get to know their families, and just obviously as they just build that trust with you.
Yeah. Well, Ayanna, it was wonderful for me to get to know you today.
Thank
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank
Dr.
you.
White, thank you for being here.
Of course.
Yes.
Thanks for having us.
If you want to learn more or schedule an appointment with Dr. White, just give them a call at 240-221-6608. Again, that's 240-221-6608. Or you can go to white32dc.com.